Welcome guys, welcome to another video, man. Today is the 15th of July. It's a Tuesday, and yeah guys, welcome to another market breakdown video. And let me not waste your time, let's get to it, man. The dollar index, you guys know, man, the dollar index is still bullish. It's still bullish, guys. There's really, I'm not gonna lie, there's really nothing to break down on this because it's still pushing to the upside. You guys can clearly see the daily candles on the dollar index. You know, it's creating that the low of the day before shooting up to the to go and create the high. So I'm expecting the dollar index to push up around New York session, because right now we're still in London session. So that's what I see on the dollar index. Plus, if I can go to the 15-minute, you know, what is structure telling me? Structure is still making higher highs and higher lows. Just like this. You know, we are still in a bullish trend, so we're expecting price to do this in New York. So, excuse my network there. No, this is not even my network. Mind my PC, guys, please. So with that being said, man, let's quickly just jump. You guys know I'm expecting price to come around the fib zone on the daily. So yeah, jumping down to GBP USD. Guys, I won't lie, I was in a trade yesterday. I entered a GBP USD trade. I was expecting it to buy. I got out with a loss. I lost the trade. I'm gonna post a video of yesterday's trade, and I realized where I went wrong, guys. I didn't wait for the market to break any structure, because it was around here. Let me show you. So the market was around here. Yeah, it was around here. So you guys can clearly see market is making lower lows and lower highs. It was around here. So I saw the market break. Let me show you what I mean. So I saw the market break this minor high right here. See, it did something like this. So I saw the market break this high, and I thought that maybe we might start getting, I wanted an early entry into the buys, because don't forget, overall we are bullish. Yes, because yes, overall we are bullish on the daily, guys. Let me go to the daily. So from a swing from a swing point of view, we are bullish on GBP USD. The price is still making higher highs and higher lows on the daily. So I was hoping to get an early entry into the buys, but yeah, no, that did not happen. So I took a young loss, and I saw where my mistake is, and yeah, you move. Today I'm not in this trade, guys. Didn't enter a trade. It's just like it's just a young analysis that I did before recording. So yeah, now you're just gonna have to wait, bro. Honestly, there is nothing. Let me see though. Let me see something quick. Let me just quickly mark up a few. Alright, so here's our 15-minute range, guys. Yes. So we are in a, still bearish high. That's a low, that's a high, this is our low. So price can come, give us a pullback, and then New York we might continue to sell. You get, or price can just break. In order for me to start looking to buy, I'm gonna have to wait for price to break this high right here and then give us a pullback before, you know, buying and entering early, entering those, getting that early entry with the buys on the market, because structure on the lower time frame is still bearish. So the moment we get a shift of change of a thing, a break of structure, and structure starts moving to the upside, you know, that's when you can start saying, okay, maybe the buys are starting to get into place now. Because yeah, right now buying will be going against you know will be going against the trend on the lower time frame. So probably New York, I might enter some sales. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. And moving on to Euro USD. Let me remove these. Yeah, let me just quickly mock it up and then so yeah, guys, this is how Euro USD looks like for me. You know, right now we are in this little, consolidation because price is moving mad choppy right here. Price is moving choppy, so Euro USD, yeah. Because if you look at the 15, it's just, yeah, this is a mess. This is a mess right here. So Euro USD, I'm not looking to trade it anytime soon. Um, yeah, before I enter any buys, I'm gonna need this high to get violated right here. This high right here before I start looking to buy Euro USD. But for now, we are consolidating. So Euro USD, I'm gonna step away. If you look at the daily, um, on the 4 hour, I did see this, like, the smaller area where the market came and gave us like a young pullback. So you might expect a reaction for once price gets to this zone before shooting up. You know what I'm saying? Price might just give us a reaction around the zone before it shoots up to the upside, because I doubt that it's gonna get to this to this area right here. Yeah, I don't think price is gonna get that. I think price is gonna, these are the two moves I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to do something like this before shooting up. You get me? Or the market might shoot up from here, break this high, then give us that pullback and then start shooting up. Or it might just push this high and just go, you know, like impulsive. So just gonna have to wait here, I'm not gonna lie. Euro USD, no trades. GBP USD, I'm waiting for this high to get violated first before starting to look for any sort of buy opportunities. And then Euro GBP, um, we are bullish, bro. I did say, guys, this high. I remember saying it while price was still around here, that we coming for these highs right here. We are coming for the highs. So yeah, price broke structure on the daily. You guys can clearly see traded this daily low, this major low right here. So now we broke this high. So this low caused the break and closure of this high. So now creating a higher high right here So now price, we're expecting a pullback, and then price is gonna start shooting up to the upside. So this is basically what I see from a swing perspective. Let's go down to the 15. How's the 15? Guys, this, yeah, no, this is very, very, very confusing for me, because on the 4 hour we are in the impulsive phase. So there really is no structure on the 15 minute that I can clearly draw out and say that, yeah, this one I'm also gonna have to step away from this, because for me, this this looks messy. This is hella messy, bro. You know, I'm not even gonna try to force it or anything, so I'm gonna step away on Euro GBP for now. It's still Tuesday, so maybe the market might print out something throughout the week. So for now, I'm stepping away on Euro GBP, but we are still bullish. I think this might be a start of a pullback phase, though. You know, you might start seeing a pullback. So maybe we might catch some sells throughout the week. We'll see what the market does, what it prints out for us. But for now, we chilling now. GBP Let's go to the. There's a lot happening on the daily, but let me show you from a big P perspective. You guys can clearly see, man, on the daily, dog, we are bullish. I mean, bearish. And I did say, guys, once price breaks this low, we're selling to come to these lows here. I remember saying it on one of my previous videos that once price breaks this low right here, it's a sell. We are selling. So we just selling, man. We are selling, and this is the day. You guys can clearly see we got a break of structure. Price came for a pullback. Now we are in an impulsive phase to the upside. And guys, I won't lie, it seems like Euro GBP and GBP CHF are inversely correlating as well, because look at the structure here, dog. Let me switch it up. Look at this. This is Euro GBP. I just flipped it now. You guys can clearly see how it looks like. Let's go to GBP CHF. Let me flip it back to. This is how its GBP CHF looks normal. So, this is like the opposite of this, basically. I don't know if you guys see what I'm saying. So, I think I might use that to my advantage as well. But yeah, let's go down to the 4 hour. So this is what we are expecting from the 4 hour. So this is what we're expecting to see. Yeah, no. I think I might also step away from here. I might not trade this yet. I think this is just gonna be one of those slow weeks in the market, because yeah, I don't see what's happening. Honestly, I don't see what's going on, and yeah, I think I'm gonna step away from the market. So GBP CHF, no trades that I see, because I'm expecting price to start pulling back up right now. or it might just continue dumping to the downside. But I don't see a setup on GBP CHF. I don't see a setup on Euro GBP. I see a possible setup on Euro USD, but we're gonna have to do a bit of waiting as well here. GBP USD as well, we see a setup, we're gonna have to wait. So the dollar index as well, you know, we are expecting it to go up. So that's, yeah guys, this is my analysis for the week so far. We'll see if anything changes, if we see any changes in the market throughout the week. But then yeah guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video, man.